Hi, I'm Dr. Brushy, and today we're brushing our teeth. Fat Club! Ooh, wait, do you see something in our toothpaste? Yeah? What is it? Let's open it up together. Whoa! It's an invitation to the Toothbrush Factory! Today we're headed to the Toothbrush Factory, where we'll need to fill the toothpaste tubes, untangle the toothbrush bristles, and repair the toothbrush machine. Remember to tell Dr. Brushy where to go. Okay, where do we need to go first? Yeah, we need to fill the toothpaste tubes.
Welcome, Dr. Brushy and Brush Buddies. I'm Bristlebot.
Nice to meet you, Bristlebot. I'm super excited for the tour.
Great, follow me. Prepare for the most amazing tour. Oh no, wait. Something's terribly wrong here.
Let me grab a tube and check. Spicy pickled toothpaste? Ugh, totally mixed up. Ooh. Uh-oh.
The flavors are mixed and the flow is reversed. This is a toothpaste emergency.
Okay, Brushy Squad, we know what to do. It's time to fill the tubes correctly. Can you help me? Yeah? Well, let's go. It's time to fill the tubes with the correct color. Can you shout out which color we need to fill the tubes with? Okay, what color should we fill this tube with? Yeah, pink! Whoa! On to the next tube. What color should we fill this with? Shout it out! I can't hear you! Yeah! Green! Fat Glob! Nice! On to the next tube. Yellow! Red! Green! Pink! Thanks for helping me fill the tubes. Now that they're all filled, we need to organize them. Where does the red toothpaste belong? Yeah, in the watermelon bin. There we go. Up next, yellow toothpaste? Where does that belong? That's a pineapple, so it belongs in the tropical bin. Ooh, green toothpaste? Where does that belong? It belongs in the apple-flavored toothpaste bin. There you go. And finally, the pink toothpaste tube, one of my favorite colors. Where should we put the pink toothpaste tube? It's got bubbles all over it, so it belongs in the bubble gum bin. There you go.
Great job, Brushy Squad. Thanks for helping me organize the toothpaste.
I wonder who broke the toothpaste machine. We need to solve this mystery. Where should we go next? Yeah, it's time to untangle the toothbrush bristles. Come on, let's go. Whoa! It looks like a spaghetti party in here. It's time to untangle all these bristles. Ooh, that's a messy toothbrush. To fix it, all we need to do is wave. Can you wave along with me? Whoa, it looks like we're fixing the toothbrush. Keep waving with me. Move, 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 move. Oh. Keep on waving. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, it's almost better. Shake, 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 shake. Yeah, we fixed it. Ooh, another messy toothbrush. We need to move up and down to fix this toothbrush. Up, down, up. Keep on moving with me. We're almost there. Woohoo! The toothbrush is fixed. Great job, and thanks for helping. On to the next location. Where do we need to head next? Yep, that's right. Let's head over to repair the toothbrush machine. Come on! Woohoo! Woo! Ooh, oh no! The toothbrush machine is broken!
Someone wants to scramble the things.
We need to fix this together. Grab your toothbrush and follow along. To fix the toothbrush machine, we need to repeat the same pattern. Can you remember the pattern with me? Okay, here's our first pattern. Which shape do we hit first?
Circle.
The circle. Second,
Triangle.
the triangle. Third,
Pentagon.
the pentagon. Okay, let's check out the next pattern. Which one do we hit first?
Triangle.
What do we do now?
Square.
Uh-oh, what's last?
Circle.
Nice! We did it! The machine is fixed! We did a great job, Brushy Squad. Wait, do you see something? Yeah? Where? Hey, it's a sugar bug! What is the sugar bug doing in my toothbrush factory? It looks like the sugar bug tried to fill the tubes, but mixed up the flavors. They tried to brush the bristle forest, but got tangled. Tried making toothbrushes, but hit the wrong pattern. Ooh, it's okay. I think he just needed a little bit of help. Hey, Brushy Squad, what do you think? Should we show the sugar bug how to run the toothbrush factory? Yeah? Let's go! First, we fill the tubes with the right color. Green! Pink! Then we straighten the toothbrush bristles. Up, down, and all around. Don't forget to shake, shake, shake! And of course, we can't forget the toothbrushes where we need to follow the right pattern. Woohoo! We did it! Now he knows how to run the toothbrush factory.